Hello, this is me again. This is the 11th video, and right now it's about 4:21 in the afternoon, and these men are still working since like 9 o'clock this morning. They want to get this done. And today is still January 23rd, 2023. Yep, see these men on the roof? They're still paneling and something. I mean, like putting up the nails without this thing breaking down. Still here. Just waiting for these robins to leave. Get the file. February is almost coming, and I don't know, we might get cold, or who knows anything in February. Still working on it. Hopefully, when they leave, we're going to do aftermath after they leave or something. If not, we'll do the aftermath tomorrow morning before they come. From the third story window in my room. Still putting up that thing on the top of the wall. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this 10th video of the construction for January 23rd, 2023. Hopefully I'll see you later for a little more. Please comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like other videos. You just take care, and I'll see you later. Bye folks.